Hi, thanks for stopping by Craft Drawer. I just wanted to talk to you today about the Cricut Easy Mini Press. It's something new that's coming out in September, and it's really easy to use. It's a smaller version of the Cricut EasyPress, so you can use it to basically on small objects. There's no idea that's going to be too big for you to use the Cricut Easy Mini Press on. It's easy to use and customize with hats, shoes. You can add style to stuffed animals, shirts, whatever you want. I just thought you could just take a look at the um, mini press. It's a perfect shape. It's just about 4 inches tall and about 3.4 inches wide. It provides ideal tip and edge control so you can place the heat exactly where you need it. It has an advanced heat plate with an extra layer of protection on it. The Cricut EasyPress the mini is effortlessly glides over bases to adhere to your design. And there's 3 easy heat settings on the mini press. It's all you need to adhere your artwork to almost any base material. There's also very useful, thoughtful safety features. Its insulated safety base protects your work surface. It has an auto shut off feature that turns off in about 10 minutes in activity. If you want to learn more about that, I have put a link so that you can look at it and order it coming in September and take a look at some of the Cricut deals that are also available. Um, and see if you can get yours probably around after Labor Day weekend. It should be available, and you can learn more by clicking on our link and finding out the details. According to the website, it's available September 6, 2019. It's got a ceramic coated heat plate for dry, even edge to edge heat. So just make sure you take a look at the unusual objects and improbable projects that you can make with this and customize all your Cricut projects. I think it's really cool for someone that likes to use something smaller when they are making crafts. Again, take a look at it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And we have a link. It's actually an affiliate link that we would get a commission on, but no, there's no charge to anybody that's reading this that clicks through the link. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like, and visit us often for more ideas, craft-related shopping deals, and projects and patterns that you can use in all your everything from yarn, crochet, knitting, crafting, scrapbooking, and Cricut and other items. Again, I have put a link below, and let me know what you think, and thank you for visiting.